Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create trade URL on Steam. Trade URL is a unique link that people can use to view your Steam inventory and send you trade requests. To create trade URL on Steam, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.steampowered.com. Then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Steam. Now, before you begin with the other process, make sure you log into your account by clicking on login option on the top. After you log into your account, click on your account or username on the top. Then click on inventory option on second last. With that, here you can see your inventory. Now here, click on trade offers option on the right side. Then here you can see the option of who can send me trade offers. Click on who can send me trade offers option. Then here you can see various of options. Now scroll down. Then here you can see the option of third party sites. Now here you can see trade URL on the given box. You can copy the trade URL. To create the new trade URL, click on create new URL on the down. By creating your new URL, your previous URL will be inactive and any shared or posted links will no longer work. So click on create new URL. With this, you will be able to create your new URL. Now you can copy the given URL and then share the URL to your friends or other people. With this, they will be able to view your Steam inventory and send trade request. This is how we can create trade URL on Steam. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.